Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to change the lock screen clock on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Now, the first thing which you need to do is the accessing the lock screen editor. Now, you can do this by long pressing on your lock screen like so. And then you will be prompted to enter in your PIN, password or pattern so that you can access the editing mode. From here, you are then going to tap on the clock that you are currently using and this pop-up menu will appear. Simply select the style and choose the one that suits your preferences. Again, you can come to font and you can change the font depending of if the style support it as well as customizing the color of the clock. Then when you are happy with your clock looks like, you can also go ahead and just increase the size to your liking. When you are finished with the customization that you have made, you can tap on done to save the changes. And like that, you successfully changed the lock screen clock on your Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.